Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I have a new product to show you. Well, new to me. It may not be new to you, but if it is, it may be something you're interested in. But hey, I want to welcome everybody to my channel. I want to welcome back my subscriber friends, and if you're new here, I want to ask you to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell, and you'll be able to know my next videos. But today I am going to be showing a product that was sent to me by the KYGMW team, and I don't have a specific name. They were emailing me and they asked me if I would show their products, and that is the name of the company, KYGMW. And I got the package and I picked out a product. This is a home decor product. They have lots of items on their website. They have resin ornaments, they have music boxes, they have I want to say some kind of crystal sun catcher. I want to say, I guess like a sun catcher, like you would hang them up and they've got crystals in them in different colors, and they're so pretty. And then they just have decorative home decor that you can set around your home, and they also have these great sales that they produce on a regular basis. And I'll have their website and I'll have the link to the particular product that I picked out, which I'm going to show to you in just a moment. They have also given a promo code, and it is $10 off. Now this is no threshold, meaning it's $10 off your order, and the code is their company name, KYGMW10, and that will get you $10 off your order. And again, I'll have all this down in the description. They also are having a spring 2023 sale. It's a fan promotion that you can check out. They also have tickets, I guess, where each person can receive only 200 tickets. I'm not sure what that is all about, but they have different promotions that go on. And they also have deals like buy 4 get 1 free for promotion. So without any further ado, let's see what I decided to get. Now, like I was telling you, it came in this box here, and it was just in a plastic bag, outer bag, and I took that off so we don't have to hear the crinkle of that. And it was in pretty good condition. I did have one little bump right there, but I don't think it would bother what's inside my package. As you can see, they've got it in styrofoam, so it's very well protected. So if you order anything, your products are going to be well protected. And let's see what I have here. Now, as I was telling you, they contacted me and allowed me to pick out an item. And I decided to pick out a home decor item. And guys, you got to look at this. There's a little sneaky peek. Ooh, it is so beautiful. I told you earlier they have resin home products, this home decor products of different styles, different kinds, and of course they have the other products as well. But I want you to see this bunny. Isn't this beautiful? And again, it looks like ceramic, but it's made of resin, and it is hand painted, it looks like. But I just thought this was so cute because you could have this in your home decor any time of the year. It doesn't have to be, Easter, just because that's the Easter bunny time. This bunny can be around at all times. And guys, there's 4, I think. There's either 3 or 4 of the same color, but they're in different positions. So you could buy a little set of these, and I'll have a photo up there so that you can see what I'm talking about, of what you can get if you like the bunnies. And I think this is the year of the rabbit. So if you're into that and you want to decorate the year of the rabbit, then this I think would be perfect. And I keep covering it up with my hands, but they've got a little gold on the nose, a little gold painted inside the ears, and then just look at the colors and the detail that's in this. Just so lovely. And that is what I picked because, number one, it'll go with my decor. I like rabbits. I'm think they're cute. And I can use this all year round in my home decor because I have blue in my home and a little bit of pink, and then the neutral colors will work in my home just perfectly, no matter what room I put it in. So I'm real pleased with this. It's good quality. There's the bottom. I guess they paint the bottom of it. Just a little bit of white on there, but just adorable. Absolutely adorable. Now remember, you can get $10 off. It's not just 10%, it's $10. And they shipped this to me really quick. No problem in that whatsoever. And I'm going to go look over at their site real quick, and I want to remind you of the code. It's their company name, KYGMW10, for $10 off. And again, on their site, you can get several things in different categories where you buy 4 and get 1 free. That's a really good deal. And I don't know if it goes throughout the whole website, but I can tell you they have the cutest little, little music boxes. They have the darling, like all kinds of crystal star catchers. So you know that would look great. And I'm going to have some pictures up in here, so when you see different things up there, I'm just going to post them up there so you can kind of see. They've got crystal tissue holders. They've got rose holders. You know how you can buy those forever roses? They've got like little resin rose holders for that. They call it a flower box. They have like iron art decorations. They have, like I said, music boxes. They have clocks. They just have all kinds of things. So I am going to leave a few pictures running across there for you all to take a look at so you can kind of see. And go to their website. It's just KYGMW10.com. And you will be able to find all the different items that I was just talking about. And like I was telling you, there are like 3 or 4 of these rabbits decorated in this color scheme. But like one of them, and like I said, I'll have a photo up there, one of them might be squatting down looking up like it's getting ready to play or take off. And the other one may just be laying down to sleep. There's just different poses, but together they would make a nice little home decor somewhere in your home where you might think that would be nice for your home. But that is what I got from the KYGMW company, and I want to thank them very much for sending this out to me free for review. It's lovely. It's going to look lovely in my home. And guys, y'all just head on over there, and don't forget you get to save $10. Now that's all I have for the KYGMW company. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.